So if you could relive shooting any episode, what would it be?
Oh, that's a good question.
That's a really good question. I think the pilot, you know, I think the inception of the show itself was quite a remarkable experience to be a part of something so unique and fresh, because at the time we didn't know really what was going on. I think for Emily and I, for us, it was really about the characters and the relationship and moving that forward rather than the plot. There's a lot of things that we brought to the table that was really interesting, that some things made it in the pilot, some things didn't, but you don't think whether or not that's going to get picked up, and you're fortunate to get maybe a season or whatever. So I think the pilot would be an amazing experience to go through again. Yeah, I would like to do that. It'd be fun, right?
Yeah, that would be
cool.
fun.
I mean,
at the beginning of the journey.
Just the journey, you know, like that whole thing, like when Emily came in, because we had one girl that was almost casted for the part, and then I read with Emily separately, and something clicked. It was like that lightning in the bottle that everybody loved, so it just changed like that.
That really happens, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it does,
When
yeah.
somebody comes into a room and they just have something, whether
Yeah.
it's the chemistry with you or something on their own that they bring, that's a fascinating thing to watch, isn't it?
It's a charge. It's almost kind of like they take charge of the situation and the environment changes, and everyone looks up from their cell phones and goes, "What? Wow, that's amazing!"
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure.
So it's like it's that huge step to finding, and I've always felt, you know, casting takes care of itself. You can bring it to the 12th hour, and it takes care of itself. I mean, even when I was on Buffy and Angel, I mean, I was cast as Buffy's somewhat 6 out of 12 boyfriend, and at the time they couldn't find this guy, so I went into casting and I met with Marcia Shulman, and she was from New York, and all we really talked about was Italian restaurants in New York. That's how that kind of started, and then obviously I read twice, and the next day
but it starts with you as a man.
You go in, you talk about, you know, experiences.
Sure.
You just rip the resume out there. I really didn't have a resume.
Right.